Hello students, I am Santosh Kumar Singh, your subject teacher of biology. In last 2 days, you have read about the topic health and disease, types of disease, types of what are the circumstances of health. So today we will discuss few other topics related to disease. As you know, what is the health? Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Healthy body with a healthy mind and healthy attitude is retired, retired as good health. It means if we healthy, it means we are physically, mentally and socially well-being or fit. So what is the difference between community health and personal health? Community health means overall well-being or good health of the whole community. It related to community means surrounding to ourselves. Therefore, the personal health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being of an individual person, not a community. If we discuss about personal health, it means a single individual person, and when we discuss about community, it means a surrounding people who lived around us. So what are the maintenance of community health? So there are few uh, uh, points which are related to maintenance of community health. Let's understand what are the maintenance of community health. First is proper sanitation of surrounding environment. Proper sanitation, as you know, today at the coronavirus infected lots of people in our country. So there is sanitation work is going on in our surrounding. So proper sanitation of surrounding environment should be maintained our health also. So what are the points? Ensuring treatment of water to provide clean and safe drinking water, employing sewage and rainwater disposal system, and proper garbage disposal. These are the points of sanitation. Next one is a health education. Educating people regarding mode of transmission of disease, control of communicable diseases, importance of balanced diet, effect of alcoholism and drug addiction. So as you know about these things, you will protect yourselves from the diseases. What is the maternity and child care? It means providing family planning, devices and medical care of infant and children. So it is the responsible ourselves that to protect our children and the other family member from the disease. So maternity and child care also important. Next one is a prevention and control of diseases. It should be by vaccination, spraying of chemical for killing pests and insects. Example, malathion is sprayed for killing mosquito which are occurred surrounding us. Next one is healthcare services. These services providing primary health center. These services are providing by the primary health center, district hospital, community health center, medical college and regional hospital, etc. As you know, what is the disease? Malfunctioning of normal state of living organism that disturb performance of vital function, that is called disease. Disease means unwell of your body. What are the transmission of disease? There are 5F. You learn properly 5F. What are the F? 5F. Number 1, fluid should be clean. Fingers should be clean. The flies which are comes in the house should be protected. And when we come from the field, then wash our hands. And next one is a fluid. it not should be stored in our home. What are the microbes which cause the diseases? These are the 5 types of microbes which cause the diseases. Number 1, virus. Number 2, fungi. Number 3, helminths. Next one, bacteria and protozoan. Viruses are very small in shape. So, virus utilizes the metabolic system of the host cell and multiply. Next one, fungi. These are the multicellular, eukaryotic and heterotrophic like ringworm. Next one, helminths. These are multicellular worms mostly present in intestine, and diseases caused by helminths is escheriasis and elephantiasis. Next one is a bacteria. Bacteria are the unicellular and prokaryotic, reproduces very quickly, and they cause the disease like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, etc. So bacteria are prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means their nucleus is not well developed, and unicellular means they have the single cell, but maybe these are multicellular also. Next one is a protozoan. Protozoans are also unicellular, single celled, eukaryotic. It means their cell is well developed and reproduces on their own. Diseases caused by the protozoan is malaria and kala azar, etc. What are the means of spread? How diseases spread in our surrounding or in our body? So there are 4 points. First is sexual contact. It gets transmitted by sexual contact from one partner to another, like diseases AIDS, syphilis and gonorrhea are the example of diseases. Next one is a water. These diseases spread when stool from an infected person get mixed with the drinking water, like example is cholera. So we should prevent from these things. Next one is a air. Diseases spread through the little droplets drawn out by infected person during sneezing and coughing, pneumonia, common cold, etc. Right now the coronavirus is also spread from the air, so we should protect ourselves through the mask. So you should wear the mask properly. Next one, what are the vectors? Vectors also help in transmission of diseases. These are the animals that carry infecting agents from sick person to a healthy person. So they help in transmission of microbes from one person to another person, like female anopheles. Today you have read about the different points, transmission of disease and the infectious agents. So thank you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will study about